Alright y'all, so jumping right into this video, you're going to need your choice of a press-on nail, your favorite nail glue, a nail file, and a nail buffer. You're going to need a cuticle pusher. I know this is not a typical cuticle pusher, but this is what I use and it works just as good. You want to grab 2 different polishes of your choice. You're also going to need a gel top coat that requires a UV or a LED light. And you're also going to need a UV or an LED lamp. You need some cosmetic wedges and a small brush to wipe off any excess nail polish. And of course, nail polish remover. Okay, so of course we know we want to start with nice clean hands. As you see, I'm taking that wooden stick and I am just cleaning up around my nail beds, pushing those cuticles back, making sure that everything is nice and neat. Now, before I continue, I want to say that if y'all have anything negative to say, y'all can go ahead and politely click off this video right now. In my previous nail videos, there have people that have got on there and have just posted their opinions about how my hands or my nails look. That just really wasn't called for. As you guys will see later on in the video, that I do have a couple of nicks on my hands. No need to point out the obvious. I know it's there. You see it's there. You know, it happens. So yeah, please take the negative energy somewhere else. But before you leave, make sure that you like this video and subscribe. So on to the nail filing. I'm just going to take this nail file and I am going to shape my nails. I'm also going to take it and shape the tip of my nails and make sure that they're all nice and even. And I'm just going to continue to do that to each nail. Next, you're going to see me buff my nails. And this is going to help perfect my nail. It's going to help remove any marks that are on my nails, as well as polish the surface of my nails. It's also going to help the fake nail stick to the natural nail better and last a lot longer. So now that I've got everything filed and buffed and nice and cleaned up and everything, I am ready to pick out my set to add to my natural nails. So I got these nails from the Fit Down store off Amazon. They are the clear 600 pieces long coffin ballerina fake nail tips. I will make sure that I leave the link to these nails in the description box below, so you guys can check them out if you want to. I have used these nails before. This is my second time using these nails, so I already know which number goes on which nail. And that's why you saw me put the rest of the packs of nails up. So from the packs that I left out, I'm going to grab 2 nails from each pack and they're going to form my full set. So this is the Kiss Pink Gel Nail Glue. Yeah, this is my favorite glue, hands down. It works so good and it lasts for a long time. But anyway, you see I just dropped a bead of the glue onto my nail and then took the tip of the nail glue and spread it out. So I'm going to take the fake nail and I'm going to place it all the way to my cuticle. And before I press it down, I like to hold my hand out and make sure that the fake nail is straight. And once I get it to where I want it to be, you know, make sure it's straight, I'll go ahead and push the fake nail down to my natural nail. And I'll hold it for a couple seconds until it's dry. Okay, so again, I'm going to take the nail glue and I'm going to add a bead of it to my natural nail and spread it out with the tip of the nail glue. And then I'm going to take the nail, the fake nail that goes on the natural nail, and I'm going to push it all the way down to my cuticle. And I'm going to hold my hand out and make sure that it's straight. And then I press it down to my natural nail, you know, meshing the two nails together. And I hold it for a couple seconds until it's dry. And I'm just going to continue to do that for all the rest of the nails. So this is what it's looking like with all the nails applied. I'm now going to take my nail file again, and there's like a little plastic piece at the tip of each nail. I'm just going to file that down even with the nail. Okay, so now it's time for the color. The polish that I'm using is the LA Colors Color Craze in the shade 619. I got this from Dollar Tree. And the white that I'm using is from Walmart. It is the brand Sinful Colors. So I'm going to do a total of 3 coats of this nude color polish. After the second coat, it was still a little see-through, so I went ahead and added that 3rd layer of polish. So this here is with all 3 coats applied, and y'all, this color is absolutely beautiful. I am in love with it. Now I'm going to take that white and I'm going to just add it to the tip of each nail. And it doesn't have to be perfect because, as you'll see later in the video, we're going to go ahead and kind of blend those 2 colors together to get that ombre look. Okay, so this next part, y'all, you do want to move a little bit quicker. You don't want that polish at the tip of your nails to dry up completely. You still want it to be a little wet and a little bit loose so that it is able to move around and blend with your other shade. So you want to take your top shade and you want to apply it to half of the wedge, and then take the other shade and apply it to the other half of the wedge. And then you just want to take it and dab it over each of those colors on your nail. And you want to just continue dabbing until it is blended to your liking. If you're dabbing and it seems like the cosmetic wedge is beginning to dry up, then you want to stop dabbing because you'll start to pull up the polish that is already down. I would say stop and move on to the next nail, because you can always go back and reapply and dab, you know, as many times as you want to. So once you've got your colors blended and you got that ombre looking the way you want it, you want to go ahead and take that gel top coat and apply it to all of your nails. And you want to make sure that the whole nail and all the regular polish is covered with that gel polish. After you've got that gel polish applied, you want to go ahead and cure it in your lamp for 60 seconds. And it says you only need to cure for 60 seconds, but I'm extra, so I ended up doing mine twice. Okay, so Shine made a mistake. Don't be like Shine. So I just cured my nails with the top coat, and I completely forgot to take the fingernail polish remover and to clean up around my nail beds with the regular polish first. So now you see me taking this stick and kind of scraping all of that extra off. So yeah, y'all definitely want to make sure that before you add your top coat and you cure your nails, you want to take your fingernail polish remover and clean up all that extra first. And now I'm just adding some oil to my hands and massaging my cuticles because they are beat up from me stabbing them over and over again trying to get all of that extra polish off. Baby, look at these nails. They're not perfect, but they look so good. I think I did a really good job. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I will make sure I link all the items I used in this video in the description box below. If you guys are still watching and you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you go ahead and do so. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so that you are notified first when I post new videos. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you guys in my next video.